smoking a dirt. Here, can you hold this for a second?
Yeah.
I gotta get my seat belts on. Roll down. Is there a window?
No, wait until I get the bus started.
He's got a... Does he have to see the number? Ooh, we're gonna race this guy. Camaro versus Camaro. You have the Camaro tranny. Woo! Woo! Oh, squeakers! I get like one of the coolest grips on this thing. I ain't dropping. Ready, go!